Let me now kick-start our conversation with the big IT numbers that we've got. Infosys shares are in focus and they're up by 4.6% in trade. Remember, this comes in after the Infosys ADR shares listed abroad rallied about 7.5% over the last two trading sessions. Leading into this move, brokerage houses are coming in positive after the earnings have come in, largely because there is an upward revision in the revenue guidance as well. As we have seen, most of the brokerage houses are also looking at improving demand visibility, strong deal momentum, and raising the revenue growth outlook as a key positive point, despite a headline profit miss due to the one-time wage-related costs that we've been seeing as consistent across the board between HCL Tech, TCS and now Infosys also. Let me just highlight first the earnings that have come in, because the earnings came in after a Wednesday evening, after the market hours. So the net profit slipped by 9.6% Q on Q, coming in at 6,654 crores. Rupee revenue up by 2.2% at 45,479 crores. EBIT margins 18.4%. And adjusted margin is about 21.2%. The constant currency revenue growth guidance has been raised to 3 to 3.5% from 2 to 3% earlier. The EBIT margin guidance has been maintained within 20 to 22%. Now, labor code impact has come in at 1,289 crore rupees. We've seen the operating margins also at 20 to 22%. Let me now take a view from Astha here. Astha, of course, the stock price and the move there of almost 5% uptick speaks for itself, how the markets are reacting to the earnings that have come in and the improved revenue growth guidance. How are you assessing Infosys earnings, and what would you do as an investor after the results on Infosys?
So talking about Infosys, yes, what we have seen that the revenue was somewhat, muted. Revenue growth was somewhat muted, although it was in line with the expectations, but it was not that strong. But we believe that going ahead, the kind of guidance this company has given on the margin front as well as revenue front, I mean, that's going to be key for the Infosys going forward. Because what we believe that now Europe is acting as a major region for the company, and Europe has registered a very, very strong growth. So we believe that going ahead, Europe will continue to benefit the company. And in fact, BFSI segment is also looking very strong to us, which I believe it is ahead of the street expectation. So going forward, we believe Infosys will continue to outperform. At least it appears on the basis of kind of guidance it is giving, on the basis of kind of numbers it has given. So right now, what we are seeing is very, very strong momentum in today's trade. And just see the volumes. Volumes are like they are in the first two, especially in the first two trading hours, or hardly we are only 1.5 hours, just we have started the trading. So in that, what kind of volume which this company has registered, it is around 7 million shares. So I believe the volume is very, very strong. And when such kind of volumes happens in any counter, which is ahead of last 2-3 day volumes, definitely it shows a very, very strong interest of the, investors in the counter. So I believe this counter will continue to outperform. And as of now, we are restricting our price target to 1730 in the short term, while in the medium term, the targets can be set at around 1850. So Infosys continuously looking good to us, and we believe that it is a buy on dip strategy which can be applied to this counter.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.